I had a friend on Rock Creek Road coming out of Seven Springs down the hill. There's a bridge at the bottom of the hill. All right. There was two children coming off of the hill, coming in from school. They were spinning on a wet road. They were driving too fast. The policeman said that they were. The actual cop said they were driving like hell. What he said. All right. They were spinning in the road. She stopped on that bridge at the bottom of Rock Creek Road. Okay. They hit her. It killed the two children. And I'm sorry to say. But they blamed her for it. What kind of bullshit is that?
Well, Charles, that's when you need a lawyer. That's what we're here for, to help people, especially in situations like you were describing, where they're not at fault and people are not giving them justice and insurance companies are not doing what they should be doing for them. So my advice to you, Charles, would be to your friend needs to find a lawyer. Obviously, they need to do that within 2 years so that they can, so that situation can be reversed.
And do you all, is it common for you all to see cases like that? Have you all handled several cases?
Oh yeah, you will see cases where the accident report puts the wrong driver at fault. You'll see cases where just you look at the facts in the law and what may appear on the surface to be one person's fault really isn't. So yeah, we do see that.
Yeah, and JD, I guess that goes back to that question I was asking earlier about always making sure that you call police to a scene.
Yes.
No matter what. A question that I had, another question I had for you, and this happened several years ago that I heard about this, insurance, that you always have to have your insurance card tangible with you. Are we at a point now in our state where if you have it on your phone, that's enough, or do you still need to have that actual hard copy with you in your car for police if there is an accident?
I think the better practice is to have it with you.
Okay.
I think if you have it on your phone and it's current, probably most officers would accept that. I'm not sure that they have to.
Okay.
But the better practice is to have it with you. I picked up at some store a little folder, like a billfold, that you keep all your stuff in, and I just keep it in my glove box.
That's really good. That's really good. Well, just a few more minutes we have before the show ends tonight, so let's talk a little bit. I know we're headed into Memorial Day weekend and just that distracted driving we heard Ken talking a little bit about earlier. But with Memorial Day coming up, being on the water and the lake, just advice to folks as they're headed out this weekend.
You know, biggest advice is don't drink and drive, don't boat and drive. Distracted driving comes in a lot of different forms. It's not just cell phones. I had a really serious accident caused by somebody eating in the car while they were driving. I've been guilty of it, but it's not a great practice. The biggest thing is when you're behind the wheel of a boat or a car, just get to where you're going safely and stay off the phone, and like Ken advised, and just pay attention and don't be in a hurry.
Yeah, that's great advice, great advice.